In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Google Ads for Shopify in 2025 with a full setup and tutorial all within just 5 minutes. So whether you're new to Google Ads or just need a refresher, stick around because we're going to break it down step by step. First, let's head over to Google Ads main page. You can easily find this by searching Google Ads on your favorite search engine or using a direct link if you already have it bookmarked. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is to sign in to your Google Ads account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Make sure you have all your business details handy to streamline the setup process. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Ads homepage. This is your central hub where you'll manage everything, from creating new campaigns to monitoring the performance of existing ones. Here you'll find various tools, settings, and updates related to your advertising efforts. The next step is clicking on the Tools option. This is typically located in the upper right corner, represented by a wrench icon. The Tools menu is your gateway to advanced options and functionalities, which can significantly enhance your ad campaigns. Move on by selecting the Data Manager. The Data Manager is essential for handling and analyzing the data that drives your campaigns. Understanding this data helps ensure that your ad spend is used effectively and reaches the right audience. Dive into it to set up any necessary data integrations or to review performance metrics that align with your business objectives. Once you're in the Data Manager, you'll then want to click on Shopify. Google Ads offers seamless integration with Shopify, making it easy for e-commerce businesses to formulate campaigns that are directly linked to their product listings. This integration will help sync your product details from Shopify to Google, streamlining the process of creating Google Shopping ads and other types of ad campaigns. With these steps, you're now set up to begin crafting compelling, data-driven ad campaigns on Google Ads for your Shopify store. Remember, effective advertising is not just about setting up campaigns, but also about continual analysis and optimization. Regularly check back on your campaign's performance, tweak your strategies as needed, and keep learning about new Google Ads features and trends to stay ahead. That's it for today's tutorial. You've just learned how to navigate Google Ads for a Shopify store quickly. We hope this overview helps you maximize your online advertising efforts effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and guides. Thank you for tuning in and see you in the next video.